Hello everyone, welcome back to Keetana's Food Magic. Today I am excited to share a delicious air fryer grilled fish fry recipe. This recipe turns out absolutely perfect in the air fryer with beautifully grilled texture and aromatic spices. You will enjoy a rich restaurant style flavor that's easy to make at home. So let's get started. First, select a large fish of your choice. Any variety is suitable as the grilling method remains consistent across all types. Ensure the fish is properly cleaned and washed before proceeding with the preparation. For the marinade, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of turmeric and salt to taste. Now add a little water, oil and half a lemon's juice and mix everything well to form a thick paste. Now it's time to marinate the fish. Make sure the masala paste is thick. Don't add too much water as the fish already contains moisture. This helps the masala stick well to the fish and enhances the flavor. Apply the masala evenly on both sides and inside of the fish from top to bottom. Cover and refrigerate it for 1 hour so the fish absorbs all the spices perfectly. Next, set up your air fryer. Place the marinated fish inside. Drizzle a little oil on top. Set the air fryer temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, carefully flip the fish, drizzle a little more oil on top, and cook again for another 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's it. Your restaurant style grilled fish fry is ready. The fish will be perfectly cooked with a lovely grilled aroma and no fishy smell at all. Each bite will remind you of a restaurant quality dish. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Enjoy your day with this perfect grilled fish recipe. If you liked this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.